What is an EOB? Not a bill, save your EOB. Around the time you receive your patient billing statement, you will also receive an explanation of benefits EOB from your insurance provider. An explanation of benefits is a document that explains how your insurance processed the claim for the services you receive. It breaks down the information like this: the services we provided, what the doctor or hospital charged, all charges, what your insurance covered and did not cover, what your insurance agreed to pay, the amount you must pay, amount you are responsible for. While this document is not a bill, it is an important tool that shows you how your bill is broken down between the medical service providers, your insurance, and you. It can help ensure you are receiving the full benefit or discount that you are entitled to under your insurance plan. Save your EOB when it comes in the mail. If you need to speak with us about your bill, please have your EOB available. While all benefit statements look little different, they will all contain the same basic types of information. Number 1, the account summary, which lists your account information with details like the patient's name, date and claim number. Number 2, the claim details, which is a list of the dates we provided the service and a description of the service. The amounts charged by the facility or provider, the amount your insurance has agreed to pay per their contract with the provider/facility, and the difference or discount between what the facility or provider charged and what your insurance paid. This may also be referred to as an adjustment, contracted agreement, or allowed amount. Most of the time, there will also be a section describing any co-pays, co-insurances, or deductibles that have been applied according to your health plan. Deductibles, co-pay, and co-insurance. Deductible. A deductible is the amount you pay for healthcare services before your insurance starts to pay anything. Co-pay. A co-pay is a fixed amount you pay for a healthcare service covered by your insurance. It is typically due before we provide service. Co-pays are different for different services in the same plan. You may pay a different co-pay for your primary care than for a specialty service. Emergency care co-pays are also higher than other co-pays amounts. Co-insurance. Based on your insurance benefit, co-insurance is the amount you may be required to pay towards the claim, apart from any co-payments or deductible. Paid by insurance and amount you must pay. Paid by insurance. Paid by insurance is the amount of the total charges that insurance is paying towards the claim. Number 4, patient responsibility. You may be responsible to pay an amount of the charges service. The amount is based on your insurance benefits and what the facility and provider charge. The actual billing statement and amount you owe will be sent from the healthcare facility that provided the service. How your EOB can help you. Here are some examples of ways to use your EOB and bill to answer questions and identify potential errors. Why did you get the bill and what services were covered? Why an insurance claim may be denied? Are the in-network versus out-of-network prices listed correctly? Pay particular attention if your insurance needs additional information from you. If you can provide that as soon as possible to your insurance, they can review it. Additional information and EOB denials. Additional information on your EOB. These items aren't on the example EOB here, but may be included in your EOB. Amount that may have been paid from spending accounts such as a health reimbursement account HRA if applicable. A glossary of the terms and conditions included on your EOB, as well as instructions for how you can appeal a claim if necessary. More specific details about filing an appeal in your state of residence. A summary of deductible and out of pocket maximums. EOB denials. The billing office can help you understand why your explanation of benefits may have a denial. A denial can happen for several reasons. Below are some of the most common that you will see on EOB. The service you had is not covered by the health insurance plan benefits, also called a non-covered benefit. Your insurance coverage was terminated before you received the service. You received the service before you were not eligible for insurance coverage, not eligible for coverage. There may be instances when an insurance carrier denies a claim but will reconsider it if you provide specific information called coordination of benefits (COB) information. Some of this information can include details from an accident, medical records with pre-existing conditions noted, and or any additional information the insurance may need. Your insurance usually requests you to update your coordination of benefits (COB) information annually. Options to determine your cost. Estimate how much you will pay for out-of-pocket healthcare costs. If you apply for Medicaid and aren't eligible, here are your opinions to determine your out-of-pocket healthcare cost. We have developed a tool that helps you compare and estimate how much you will pay out of pocket for different health services and procedures. We are trying to make the process easier by providing you a tool that helps you calculate how much you will have to pay out of pocket for a common healthcare charges.